the couple that everybody wants to see constantly, and that would be Prince Harry and Meghan Markle, who had...
God, it's so funny. It's not William and Kate.
Yeah, who are they? Nobody cares about them there. They're old hat. But Prince Harry and Meghan Markle had a little date night out in London. Looks like they hit up a restaurant, and of course, as soon as they step outside, you got that?
I'm sorry about that. Yeah. But it was actually a very important call.
Oh, really?
See how important you guys are to us?
Wow, so you just blew the person off?
That was a super important phone call.
We got the prince here, okay? Anyway, they had a little date night, and every time they go out now, there will absolutely be a camera following them because they're
holding hands. That's a big deal.
Well, yeah.
Well, no.
Of course they're holding hands.
Well, they're royalty.
She's been flying around the world to see him. Of course they're holding hands.
I understand that, but it's a public display of affection is not what you normally see with a royal couple.
All right.
Make sure to subscribe to TMZ Live to keep up to date on the latest entertainment news.
And if you want to keep watching, click on one of these videos right now.